Okay, so like I said, we have the Kiss Salon dip kit. So it came with a little dish that you pour the powder in. It came with the powder, two sets of nail tips, so the natural and then the white, a sponge, a cuticle pusher, two extra brushes, some brush on gel, the activator, and the nail file and instructions. And I also got some nail polish remover as well.
It's OVA the creator.
So now I'm just removing the shine from my nails, and then we're going to be applying our natural nail tips because I want a more natural look. So yeah. So I decided to use some more type of glue to put my tips on because the brush on gel, I didn't want to waste it in putting on my tips. So I'm just using that maximum speed nail glue or whatever, and I'm just gonna finish applying my tips. So y'all, it took me forever and a day to file my nails to the desired shape, and I had to edit out a lot, but yeah, you can see me, I'm just filing my nails down to like a coffin shape. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take the brush on gel and apply a generous amount onto the nail, all over the nail, and then dip it into the powder and then tap the excess off and then wait for it to dry and just move on to the next nail. Now, right here, you saw me just put the brush on gel like on my real nail bed and then I dipped it. That's because I wanted to build like a more thicker base, I guess that makes sense. And then I was gonna go back over it for the second time. So yeah, that's why I did that, but yeah. once you dust all of the excess off, you're going to take the activator and you're gonna apply a generous amount onto each and every nail, and this is what's gonna cause the nails to harden. And I know y'all just seen me drop that activator. That made me so mad. I literally cried right there, but it's all good.
It's OVA the creator.
So now I'm just going to be taking my multi-purpose file, and I'm going to be filing my nails down. So I'm just really going to be buffing them and smoothing them out. And y'all, this nail file is the truth. As you can see, each color is a different filing method or whatever. I don't know, but I got this from Walmart and it was super affordable. So if you don't have one, you need to get one.
It's OVA the creator.
So now I'm just taking my coarse regular file and I'm just going to be going over my shape just to make sure that my shape is still how I want it to be.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
So for this nail look today, I didn't want any nail polish. I just wanted something that's like really clean and neat. So yeah, so I didn't no nail polish today. But right here, I'm just applying my cuticle oil to my cuticles and on the beds of my nails, just so it looks a little bit better and a little bit shinier. But yeah.
It's OVA the creator.
That is all for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to share, like, and leave me a comment. Also subscribe. And yeah, y'all, see y'all in my next video.
OVA the creator.